it's been a really long time, but before I get into that, just getting into this video, I'm going in, well, for this design I'm going to be using bubbles from Acrylic, and then I'll also be using diamond from Nail House, the Mia Secret clear acrylic. I'll also be using Aquarius. It's like a custom glitter color I actually made myself. I've been debating on whether or not I should like sell like loose glitters, but I'm not sure if I want to like dive into that yet. It may be something I may add on my site. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I'll let you guys know. And then aside from that, I'm also going to be using the little snowflakes I got off Amazon. I'll link everything to the best of my ability down below in the description box, but also, you know, yeah, so that'll be there. But I know it's been a while since I've been up here, you guys. Like I said, it's been a crazy couple of weeks. Just really trying to get back into the swing of things, and I can tell you I definitely have some really exciting videos planned. This is just one. I've already had Monday's video made and edited. It'll go up on Monday, so I want to get to where like I'm just like already have a video filmed in advance, and then I'll just be like putting them right up on the channel. Like it'll just drop at the same time Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I definitely want to get back to that. So yeah, I do apologize for being MIA, but I'm back, y'all. And you know, the semester's in it for me, so I'm so happy about that. It's been a rough semester for sure. And if you are a college student yourself who watches me, I'm sure you can attest to that. So definitely. And I'm just showing you like basically what it's going to look like, because I did film everything that was going to be used after the fact. So going in first, I'm just putting down some clear acrylic, and then once again it's the Mia Secret clear, and I'm also using Mia Secret monomer, and I'm using my number 12 brush from Pana. In case you guys didn't notice, I am at the salon and I am shooting from there, so if the light switches up, that's why. Also, I'm putting down a few snowflakes first, and then you'll see me going with some of the diamond color from Nail House. And I will say these snowflakes were pretty easy to work with. They really didn't cause me too much trouble, so that was great. Also, I will say the trick with these like designs, all you have to do really is just like play around with it. Like, don't make it more complicated when it has to be. Encapsulate designs are my favorite designs to do, because it's like you place it, and especially when you're using like glitter and like sequins or anything like that, it makes it super easy to like just create something and already look pretty. Like, now I'm not saying just like throw stuff on the nail, but I'm saying like your placement of stuff, don't be so worried about that too much, because it doesn't matter when you're doing designs like these, because you'll make it flow, you'll make something happen. And this took me about, I think I want to say the whole nail, like to do everything, it took about 14 minutes to do, but that's because I didn't know what I was going to do. But if I were to do a full set of this, I probably could get through a whole hand like in under 30 minutes. So yeah, like I said, and it all just depends how quickly you move. Really, I'm gonna take that back, because I could probably get through a whole hand probably under 20 minutes. We could definitely go under 20, and then have both hands down about 40 minutes for sure. And then all I did was pick up some clear, and then I took the Acrylic color bubbles, and I make sure whenever I do this, like a marbling effect, I make sure my brush has a lot of liquid in it, not like too much so it's like just dripping all over the place, but keep my brush like really saturated with the liquid. And then I put it down in place, because it makes it easier to move the acrylic. It makes the acrylic kind of runny in a way, and it makes it a lot easier to get like a marbling effect. And then here I'm putting Aquarius down. Which, if you guys didn't know, I am an Aquarius. Aquarius season will be, we got about a good month and some change away, but it'll be here soon, and I'm so ready, because you know, that's for me.
Power off.
Sorry, that was, if that scared you all, that was my speaker. It just says that when it turns off. But yeah, so I'm really excited about that. But I don't know, like, I don't know if it's just me, but I really love winter themed sets. Like, I have so many ideas, but it's like, I don't know, y'all. People were like, they want to get like the basic stuff, like, you know, oh, I'll just take some red polish for the holidays. I'm like, girl, you don't want to like get some glitter. You don't want to do like a sweater nail. You don't want to do like, I don't know, like just do something different, like just out the box. But I really do love like, I love like a frosted look, and this is what this look gives me. It's like really a really nice frosted sort of look to it because of the blues and then the clear and then the silver. It's just like, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this as I was doing it. Like I really didn't know what to expect, but I just really enjoyed it. So yeah. And then I will say, the only thing I did not show you all, and I'm just showing you all here what it looks like, the only thing I didn't show you was my shaping and then also the e-filing process. But it was really easy. It took me no time to do it all. And yeah, but you will see what it looks like from the sides towards the end of the video, and you'll be able to see like how you can see where the apex is. You can see the thickness of the nail. It's not too thick. It looks really great. So you'll definitely just be sure to stay to the end to see that. And then yeah. And then I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going in and clear capping the nail, and that's really about it for this part. Also, a tip for when you encapsulate, to keep your sides from being wide around the base of the nail, be sure to pat your sides in, and that'll keep your acrylic from causing the nail to look wide or bulky. Alright, and here I'm just going in with the Valentino No Wipe top coat, and I'm just going to put a layer of that on the top of the nail and also on the underside. I always do this whenever I do like clear nails, just so that way it looks super shiny from both sides. And before I always do my top coat, I always wipe the nail or clean the nail with some alcohol. And then yeah, I'll put this in the lamp for about 60 seconds and I'll let it cure, and then we'll be back with the finished results. I swear you guys, the top coat always brings like stuff to life. I love this part. It looks so good. I can't wait for you guys to see the next clip. Okay y'all, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching me do this tapered square nail that is super winter themed, and I will see you in Monday's video. Alright, bye.